Imagine a future where the Indian rupee is not just our currency, but a currency the world trades in. That future may have already begun, and it's called the special rupee Vostro account. This isn't crypto, this isn't gold, it's a financial tool so low profile most people in India have never even heard of it. Yet it's quietly reshaping the way we do global trade. Just a minute, if you want to shorten something, you should do something bigger than that without disturbing it. That is what India is taking steps to globalize Indian rupees without targeting dollars. So, what is it? A Vostro account is a bank account that an Indian bank holds for a foreign bank, but in Indian rupees. Think of it like this. A foreign trader can keep their money here in India in INR and use it directly for trade. The word Vostro means yours, as in your account with us. The special Rupee Vostro account, or SRVA, takes this idea and turns it into a modern trade weapon. In 2022, when sanctions hit Russia after the Ukraine war, India faced a big problem: how to keep trading with key partners without relying on the US dollar. The solution? SRVA. It allowed imports and exports to be settled in rupees instead of dollars or euros, avoiding SWIFT and bypassing dollar dependency. Here's how it works. Step 1. A foreign bank opens an SRVA in an Indian bank. Step 2. Indian importers pay in rupees into that account. Step 3. The foreign exporters get paid from that same account in rupees. They can use those rupees to buy Indian goods or even invest here. It's a closed loop. Rupees in, rupees out. No currency conversions, no dollar needed. Until now, banks needed RBI's green light before opening an SRVA. That meant delays, paperwork, missed opportunities. But in August 2025, the RBI removed that requirement. Now banks can open these accounts instantly, and that's huge. It means faster deals, more partnerships, and foreign banks rushing in to join India's rupee network. And there's more. Foreign SRVA holders can now invest their unused rupee balance in Indian government bonds and treasury bills. This isn't just trade anymore, it's opening India's debt market to the world, creating fresh demand for the rupee. This is where it gets interesting. Countries like Russia, Iran, and even several African nations, all looking for a way out of dollar dominance, now have a real alternative. For India, it's a giant step towards currency independence and maybe a seat at the big table in global finance. For exporters, faster payments, lower conversion costs, and protection from currency swings. For Indian banks, new revenue streams, global connections. For the economy, more trade in our own currency and a stronger rupee abroad. Of course, there are challenges: rupee volatility, building trust with foreign banks, and strict anti-money laundering compliance. But the RBI's latest move shows they believe India is ready to handle them. The special Rupee Vostro account may sound like banking jargon, but in reality, it's a quiet revolution. Today, it's changing how India trades. Tomorrow, it could change how the world uses the rupee. And when that day comes, you'll remember, it all started with an account nobody talked about until now. The special Rupee Vostro account is more than banking policy. It's a signal. India is ready to trade on its own terms, and the world is starting to take notice. If you found this breakdown useful, make sure to hit that like button so more people can discover how the rupee is changing global trade. And if you want to stay ahead of these financial shifts, like, subscribe, share, and comment, because this story is just getting started.